Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to trim a sound on TikTok before recording a video. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on plus icon on the middle of your home screen. Now tap on add sound that is on the top of your screen. You can either search the song or choose songs from Discover. When you choose the song, you will see a Caesar icon. Tap on it. Now select the song part you want to record by sliding and tap on Done. On the top of your screen, the song you chose will pop up. Now you can record the video with the music you chose. So that is how you trim a sound on TikTok before recording a video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.